Today we're using the Load Combination Lrfd Asd interactive calculator, which determines the governing load combination and maximum design load for structural engineering calculations. This calculator has two drop-down menus. First, Design Method, where you can select LRFD Load and Resistance Factor Design or ASD Allowable Stress Design. I'm using LRFD. Second, Load Combination to Evaluate, with options ranging from all combinations find maximum through individual combinations 1 through 7. I'm selecting all combinations to find the maximum. Now for the 8 input fields: Dead Load D, Live Load L, Roof Live Load LR, Snow Load S, Wind Load W, Earthquake Load E, Rain Load R, and Fluid Load F, all in KN or KIPS. Let me input these values: Dead Load 150, Live Load 100, Roof Live Load 20, Snow Load 30, Wind Load 80, Earthquake Load 90, Rain Load 15, and Fluid Load 10. After clicking Calculate, here are our results. Design Method confirms LRFD, governing load is 376.0 kN or KIPS, and the governing combination is 1.2D plus 1.0E plus L plus 0.2S. This tells us the critical load case for our structure uses factor dead load, full earthquake load, full live load, and 20% of snow load. This calculator streamlines load combination checks for any structural design project. Find the link in the description below.